class 5 mathematics. So in our previous class, we have gone through the subtraction problems, normal simple problems. Okay, so now let me go on with the word problem. Okay, children. So after that, I'll give you some more problems of 4-digit subtractions. Okay, so let me first, as you remember, children, I have given you some keywords to understand the word problem. Okay, so this is the word problem. Let me explain you in detail. Yes, Malaya earns rupees 8,440. So how much is he earning? 8,440 per month. And his monthly expenditure is rupees 6,840. So what is the monthly savings? So savings, as you remember, I have given you some keywords. Savings means what you have to do here. When this keyword comes, subtraction. Okay. So let me write down the steps first. Okay. Monthly earnings. Monthly earnings is equal to 8,450. It is rupees. Then the second one, expenditure. Monthly expenditure is equal to 6,840. This is also rupees. Now savings. So savings means we have to do the subtraction part. So bigger number minus small number. So this is the savings. Savings of Malaya is equal to whatever answer you will get it, you will write down. So now let me do the rough work. So 8,450 minus 6,840. So I have arranged it in 1 cent and 100 place. 1 cent, 100 and 1,000 place. So firstly, so 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 4 will not go in 8. 4 becomes 14. 8 becomes 7. So 14 minus 8 is, how much? 14 minus 8 is 6. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So how much savings Malaya is earning? So he is saving 1,610 rupees monthly. Yes or no? So this is his savings every month. Okay, children. So this is a word problem. This is just an example, children. Related concerns, some more problems for your practice. I will give you in your worksheet, children. And just I am saying you, children, these all notes which I am providing daily in the form of a PDF, please continue in the same classwork. Okay. Just leave one page, write down there maths classwork, and then start writing class 5 mathematics and start writing with the same notes with the definitions as per the sequence it should be written in your classwork, and it should be written very neatly, children, in the order. And please take one separate book for all the worksheets. So there are many worksheets, children. If you start writing from the back side of your classwork, you can even complete your classwork before the notes. Okay, so take one separate worksheet, take one separate book for worksheets. So all the worksheets write in the separate book with question and answer. Okay, children. So now let us do the 4-digit number subtraction. So let me firstly take one number 4,236 minus 2,861. So I have arranged in 1, 10, 100 and 1,000 in a proper places. Writing of the numbers is very, very important, children. Okay. So now let me do the subtraction. 6 minus 1. Remove 6 from 1. 5. So 3 will not go in 6. 3 will become 13. So 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay. So now the next number, 100 place, 1 will not go in 8, 1 will become 11, so 4 will become 3. So 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Got it, children? Understood the problem? So the next one, 4,617 minus 1,978. So now 7 will not go in 8, 7 becomes 17. 1 will become 1 minus 1 is 0. So 17 minus 8 is 9. So here again 0 will not go in 7. So 0 will become 10. 6 will become 5. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So again here in the 100th place, 5 will not go in 9. 5 becomes 15. 4 becomes 3. So 15 minus 9 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. So let me take one more, children. So 9,017 minus, how much you practice, that much it will be easy for you. So more and more I am doing, so different methods, different types, it will be easy for you so that you will not be confused. Okay, 7 minus 0, starting from the 1, 7 minus 0 is 7. Again 1 will not go in 5, 1 will become 11, so here it is 0. So firstly I will make this one 10. So then again one more borrowing, so this 10 will become 9. So this 9 will become 8. Done, so that? So then here 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 how much? 6. So then here 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Got it? So let me take one more. 8,050 minus 3,500. Numbers should be written one below the other in the same place as children. Then only you can do the subtraction correctly and properly. So then 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. So 0 will not go in 5. 0 becomes 10. 8 becomes 7. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 9. Got the answer? Okay, children. So by this, your addition, subtraction is completely over. Okay, yes, children. Relationship between addition and subtraction. What is the relationship? That means how in one word problem itself you'll be using addition and subtraction. That is the reason I gave you the keywords, children, so that you can understand the difference. Okay, when these two keywords come together, we will go through the addition and subtraction in one problem itself. So firstly, let me take an example. Okay, so the next example is, I'll go through the word problem, children. I'll write it on the board. Mahesh went to the market to buy the goods. For his home. And observe the price table as follows. And observe the price table as follows. So here Mahesh went to the market to buy some goods for his home. Okay. So he has gone through the market and he saw a price table there. And it is having objects and the price was given there. It you've been seeing in the market, yes, children? So the cooler, the price of the cooler is rupees 6,450. The price of the bed is tax will be there in the market if you go. 4,090 rupees. And rice cooker is, so these are the necessity things you want to buy it. 1,530 rupees. So these all are rupees, children. Okay. So these are the price tags of the object. Now let us see. First one, A1. If Mahesh bought all the three items, if Mahesh bought all the three items and gave rupees 13,000. 13,000 to the shopkeeper. To the shopkeeper. To the shopkeeper. How much will the shopkeeper return to Mahesh? How much will the shopkeeper return to Mahesh? How much will the shopkeeper return to Mahesh? So this is our question. Okay. So firstly, let us understand the question here, children. If Mahesh bought all the three items, all. So all means what you have to do here? Addition. With the keyword all itself, you can identify that it is an addition. Then, and gave rupees 13,000. The total amount of all the three items is 13,000 rupees to the shopkeeper he gave. How much it is the amount we don't know, but he gave 13,000. Now, how much amount from 13,000 the shopkeeper will return? Return means what? Subtraction. That means, first of all, you have to count all the three items total and find out the sum of those items. Yes? So in your previous classes, you have gone through this board mass, children. As far as I am concerned, everybody, board mass is being taught to you. Yes? B means bracket, order, D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, S is subtraction. This is the sequence you have to follow when all the things are together. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are together. You have to follow. First you have to clear the bracket. Then you have to clear the order. Then you have to clear the division you have to do first. Then you have to do the multiplication. Then you have to do the addition. Then you have to do the subtraction part. So now here we don't have all these things. These two things are not there. So only these four things are there. D, M, A, S. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay. So now firstly, let us do. So first thing, that means what? According to the board mass rule, you will do firstly addition part. So addition means you will find the total of those all items, total price of the item. So firstly write down 6,450 plus 4,090 plus 1,530. So you are doing addition. So now 6, 4, 5, 0, 4, 0, 9, 0, 1, 5, 3, 0. Plus. So 0, 5 plus 9 how much? 9, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. So 7 will be on the 10th side. So there's no place for that. So let me make it look 2 bit clear. 6450 4090 1530. Addition 0. Then 17. 7 will be this side. 1 is carry over. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 5 then 0. Again 1 is carry over. So 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 4 10. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 1 12. So how much you got it? 12,070 rupees. What is the total amount of all the items? 12,070 rupees. Now, first operation addition part is completed. What is the second one? Subtraction. The subtraction part. Now do the subtraction part. How much amount did he give? 13,000. So 13,000 minus 12,070. Okay. So now let me do the subtraction. So 13,000 minus 12,070 rupees. Write one number below each other. Okay. So 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 0 minus 0, 0. So 0 will not go in 7. So 0 becomes 10. So this side 0. When you borrow it from here, so firstly it will become 10. 10 will become 9. Then 3 will become 2. And children? So now 10 minus 7 is 3. So now 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much money will the shopkeeper return in back? 930 rupees. So from 13,930 rupees, the shopkeeper will return Mahesh back. Understood, children? Okay, don't worry, I'll give the PDF file of this one. And children, again and again, I'm saying you, these all things which I am teaching you is only the concept. I'm not going through each and every problem. And the notes in the form of PDF, I'm providing you so that it will be easy. And within this, so this is the last problem of your first lesson. And remaining all the problems, I'll just provide you a PDF file with all the solutions in that one. All the problems are being provided to you, and I'll give you some practice problems also, children. So please, children, follow me. Yes, and don't be in hurry, children. If you practice, then only you'll get the subject. And for your better sense only, I am going through the same lesson again. Yes or no? So next question. This is only the example questions, children. And after that, all the textbook problems are also being given to you. And I'll not explain that individually by taking the classes. Okay? So this is the last topic of our lesson. By this, we'll complete our first lesson. Okay, children? So the last question. Roja went to the market. Roja went to the market with rupees 4,206 and spent rupees 2,812. About how much money is left. Okay, so encircle to the nearest of the following. To the nearest of the following. So rupees 2,000, rupees 3,000, rupees 1000. So let us find out. So let us first understand the question, children. So firstly, Roja went to the market with 4,206 rupees. She spent 2,812 rupees. So how much money she is having? Yes, she went to the market with rupees 4,206 rupees. How much? 4,206. Yes, and in that she has spent rupees 2,812. Yes. So now, about how much? About how much means you will find out the estimated value. Estimated is the nearest value you have to find out. So 4,206, it is a 4-digit number. So nearest value you will find out to the thousands place. So round off to the nearest 1,000. So in the rounding off to the nearest 1,000, you will check the 100th place. Now 100th place 2 is there. 2 is less than 5. So 4,206 lies in between 4,000 and 5,000. So nearest will be 2 is less than 5. So go to the smaller value side. So smaller value is 4,000. Done? Now the same way 2,802. 812. So 2,812, it is also a 4-digit number. And check the 100th place is 8. 8 is greater than 5. 2,812 lies in between 2,000 and 3,000. 8 is greater than 5, so it will go to the higher value. Higher value is 3,000. So we got the nearest value. Then the next part of the question, how much money is left? Left keyword. What you will do here? Subtraction. So do the subtraction part. 4,000 minus 3,000. So orally you can do it. 4,000 minus 3,000 is how much, children? 1,000. So 1,000 is the approximate value. So our answer is 1,000. Circle that. Got it, children? So by this, your first chapter is completed. Chapter 1 is completed, children. Okay? Chapter 1 is completed. So within 1 week, we'll finish up second chapter, then over. Okay? And notes I am providing it, children, with all the question and answers. The same way, with the way I am giving you, you people also do it in the same way. Okay, children? Thank you. Take care of yourself, children. And just a reminder, please kindly pay your first term and second term fees. If it is pending, please pay the fees, and the second term fees pay as soon as possible, children. Okay? You are listening to the classes. Please pay the fees. Okay? And if any backlogs are there also, please pay those fees. Thank you, children. Take care of yourself.